What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and today we are making low carb chicken salad. You can pair this with vegetables, Parmesan cheese crisps, whatever you like. So first take one stalk of celery, and I like to use a food processor to get this finely chopped. You only need a few beats of that processor, and then you've got some finely chopped celery. You can do this with your onions as well. I typically chop my onions using an onion chopper. And then take either rotisserie or cooked chicken breasts. You'll need 2 cups of cooked chicken breasts. You can shred it or chop it into cubes. I like to cut it up into maybe 1/2 inch or 1 inch cubes. And then take that chicken breast, add it to a bowl. Then add 1/2 cup of mayo, your finely chopped celery, 2 tablespoons of chopped onions, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, salt and pepper to taste. And then give that a good stir. And then you can either chill this chicken salad or serve it warm. There you have it, low carb chicken salad, quick and easy to make.